Hi viewers, welcome to Botany Point. This video is about difference between plant cell and animal cell. So let's start the topic. So here first is our cell wall. Okay, the outer layer of the plant cell is known as cell wall. And here in case of animal cell wall is absent. So in case of animal cell, the outer layer is known as cell membrane or plasma membrane. So here in case of plant cell, here the outer layer is present, means cell wall is present, and it is rigid cell wall made up of cellulose, and it is outermost layer. Okay, and in case of animal cell, here the cell wall is absent, and here the outer layer is what? Cell membrane or plasma membrane. So in case of plant cell wall present. Then come to shape. Then come to about its shape. In case of plant cell, the shape is rectangular. Or maybe some cases hexagonal. Okay, and it is mostly fixed in shape. But it is round or oval. Oval type, and mostly it is irregular. Okay, now come to our plastid. So plastid and chloroplast. So these are the cell organelles. After that, the terms are coming. These are the inside the cell. Okay, and inside the cell, which are present, the particles or the subcellular particles are called cell organelles. So first one is here plastid and chloroplast. So chloroplast is one type of plastid which are mostly found in plant cell. So here the plastid type, different type of plastid are there. One of the plastid is chloroplast. So chloroplast are mostly found in plant cell, which is help for the photosynthesis, means food synthesis. Due to presence of chloroplast, food synthesis occur inside the plant cell. So here the chloroplast is present. Okay, so the chloroplast is present. Okay, that's why what happened? Food synthesis or photosynthesis occur. Photosynthesis occur due to presence of chloroplast. But here in case of animal cell, the chloroplast is absent. That's why animal cell is unable to produce its own food. Okay, now come to the second point about nucleus. So nucleus present both of the cases, but difference is that the presence of nucleus. Here the nucleus mostly found on the side or the periphery. Okay, present at what? Periphery. Okay, but here it is found centrally. Found present in center. Clear? Then come to here about, okay, why the nucleus is present here periphery and here center? Because in plant cell what happened? The vacuole is covered the what? All the cell part is covered by the or observed by the vacuole. Inside the plant cell, a large vacuole is present. That's why the nucleus is present site on the periphery region. And in case of animal cell, there is many and multiple vacuoles are there, and they're small in size. That's why in case of animal cell, nucleus present at the center, middle part. Okay, then come to fifth one, centrioles and centrosome. So here what happened? So here the centriole is present only in lower plant. Okay, and higher plants the centriole is absent. So you can write here only present in lower plants. Okay, but here presence all animal, present in all animal cell. Clear? Now come to our plasma membrane. So after cell wall, one extra layer is inside the cell wall, that is plasma membrane. So here the second wall, okay, second layer of the cell is plasma membrane. The second layer of the cell, and here the first layer, okay, the first layer or the outer layer of the cell. So plasma membrane or cell membrane, okay, plasma membrane otherwise known as cell membrane. So here what happened, inside the plant cell, the outer layer is cell wall, but cell wall is absent in case of animal cell. And here the plasma, after the cell wall, the second layer is inside that inside the cell membrane, wall, cell membrane present. Okay, first layer is cell wall, then cell membrane. Remember? So and here in case of animal cell, the outer layer is cell membrane or plasma membrane. Clear? Then come to our vacuole. So here in case of plant case, a large vacuole present. A large vacuole present. Here more than one or multiple vacuoles present. Multiple vacuoles present and small in size. And they are mostly small in size. But here only one and large vacuole are present. Only single vacuole found in plant cell. And they cover 90% of the area in plant cell. Okay, they cover 90% of cell. Okay, and here many small vacuoles are present. So here what happened? Here the vacuole is two types of vacuoles are found in case of animal cell. That is contractile vacuole, and food vacuole. Okay, contractile vacuole or food vacuole, but here such type of contractile vacuole and food vacuole are absent. Okay, here is absent. Here I am shortly write down contractile and food vacuole absent. Okay, now come about the spindle fiber. So in case of spindle fiber, what happens? Spindle fiber formation during the cell division. Okay, so here what happened? So spindle fiber, how the spindle fiber form? From the centriole. Okay, here, wait. Suppose here. From the centriole, astrals form, and from the astral, what? Spindle form. Okay, so here what happened? Clear about this concept? From the centriole, astral form. From the astral, spindle fiber or spindles are formed. But in case of plant cell development, already we discussed about that. Here you can see only present in lower plants. So that means in case of higher plant cases, centriole are absent. Due to absence of centriole, in that case what happened? Astral are formed. Okay, the spindle fiber formed from the, here come to spindle fiber cases. Here anastral are formed. From the anastral, spindle fiber formed. And here what? Amphiastral. That means spindle fiber formed from the centriole. From the centriole, what? Astrals, that to astral spindle are formed. Here, this process. Okay, clear? So now come to our plasmodesmata. So these are mostly found in the plant cell and helpful for the connecting link, connection, not connecting link, or connecting link, you can say connecting link. So helpful for the connection of the two adjacent cell. Okay, so plasmodesmata here in case plant cell present, and here in case of animal cell plasmodesmata are absent. So beside the plasmodesmata, other connections are there which connect the two adjacent cell here. Okay. Now come to Golgi body. So Golgi body are here not distinctly or clearly found. Okay. So and mostly they are found in where? Near the nucleus. They are not distinct, and they are found in near the nucleus, and they are called as dictyosome. Okay, so clearly not found near, or you can see it is distinct type, and it is mostly found in what? Distinct, clearly, you can write down here directly distinct, it better, distinct and found near the nucleus. That means that there were not Golgi bodies are not clear. Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus, whatever you say, both are right. So distinct and found near the nucleus, but what? They also call as dictyosome. Dictyosome. And here what happened? The Golgi bodies are well developed. Directly you can write well developed. That means here the clearly found. Okay. Then come to our microbodies. There are two type of microbody here comes to in case of differences case. So first one is glycosome, second one is sparosomes. Okay. In case of glycosome, what happened? It mostly found in seed cell. Okay. So you can write here it is present in case of plant, present in seed cells. But here in case of animal cell, glycosomes are absent. Clear? Then come to sparosomes. In case of sparosomes, what happened? Here the sparosomes are present, and here absent. Come to about the lysosomes. So lysosomes are very less in number. Okay. In case of lysosomes here, very less in number. But in case of animal cell, there are many lysosomes are found. You can see many. Okay. So while you are appearing in exam, try to write the whole sentence. For your easy understanding, here I am just writing short form. Otherwise, you just whenever you write or attending such type of difference in your exam, try to write the whole sentence. Clear? Okay. Then come to our reserve food material. Reserve food material, in case of plant cell, the reserve food material is what? Here is starch, carbohydrate, and here glycogen. In animal cell, we found as a reserve food material, stored food material is glycogen. Clear? Now come to the next here. Nutrition. So in case of plant cell, due to presence of chloroplast, they can easily synthesize their food. Okay, so they can easily prepare their food. So they are known as autotrophs. Auto means own. Autotrophs. And due to in case of animal cell, what happens in case of animal cell? Absence of chloroplast. That's why they can't make their food, and they depends upon other. So they are known as heterotrophs. Okay, due to presence of autotrophic nutrition, why nutrition is autotrophic type, because in case of plant cell they can make own food. You can write here. While you are attending an exam, try to write the whole sentence. Due to presence of chloroplast through photosynthesis, plant cell make their own food. That's why they're known as autotroph. Likewise, they depends upon other plants or animals. That's why they're known as heterotrophs. Okay. In case of cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Okay, what happened? The cell division, the last is cytoplasm division. In case of cytoplasm division, so here cytokinesis process, the cell wall is divided before the separation. The division is occur in cell plate manner. Here the cell plate form. And in case of animal cell, furose method. Here you can say cell plate method. So in case of animal cell, what happened? Suppose this one the cell. Okay, so this is try to. Okay, this the middle layer is cell plate. Then they started to separate it from the parent cell, daughter cell form. Likewise, here what happened? Suppose this one the animal cell. It's trying to forming furose. Likewise, okay. Cell furose. From that, finally, it's try to what? It try to what? This part is known as furose. So here the cell furose form, and here this wall is cell plate. Okay, cell plate. Then cytoplasm separated, and finally daughter cell are formed. Okay, so here the cell plate method, and here the furose method. So this is all about the plant cell and animal cell. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, so hit the like button, share to your friend and relatives, and subscribe Botany Point, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the regular updates. Thank you so much.